on up.
Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Well, today's the day that I'm going to use that Santa Maria attachment that I got for a Weber kettle off of Amazon. What I'm going to do is I'm not going to do it in here in the testing. I'm not going to do it in here in the testing facility. I'm actually going to do it outside. So going to be doing a tri-tip. I do have that here. We'll season it up, we'll get it ready, and then we'll get it on the grill. So what I need to do is figure out where I'm going to put the grill out there and what grill I'm going to use for it, and we'll go from there. So let's see how this tri-tip cook goes. A couple fire starters, we'll put those in there. Alright, today we're going to use Grillaholics S.P.G. We're going to want a nice fire bed, so get that all in there. They look to be up to temp. Nice little pile right here in the middle. Then what we're going to do is we're going to get some wood. Watch this. Alright, so this is just cherry wood. We'll get it down in here. See if we can get that to light. Then got my Santa Maria attachment. Right here. Now I haven't seen if it would fit on this old school. This is a this is a 1984 model Weber kettle. So a little bit of smoke coming off of that wood already, so that's good. We'll get this on here. Now I'm not using the pit, so not using the rotisserie part of it, so we'll get that off. Take the motor out. It's going. That feels so good. Yeah. All right, let's get this chop her down a bit. Something like that for right now. That may not have been too smart, but alright, so here's our tri-tip. What we're going to do is pull it out of its package here, kind of unroll it. I'm really not going to trim it for tonight. We're just going to go just like this. Alright, so what I've got some Grillaholics S.P.G that we're going to use on this. So this is salt, pepper, and garlic. Nice combination for beef. So we'll get a nice coat of this on here, like so. No binder, we're just going hardcore. Being an outdoor type cook today. Nice coat of it. So this Grillaholic S.P.G rub, you can get this, there's a link in my description. Use my link and you'll save yourself 10% when you go to order this. This is pretty good. I am going to come back. This is just 16 mesh pepper. I like pepper on beef, so I'm going to hit it a little heavier with the pepper, like so. Give it a little bit of a pat down. Fire out there is raging. Ooh, nice. Flip her over. Repeat the process. So I'm hoping that I can get this done in about an hour. I'm thinking it won't even take that long. It's, you know, it's like a steak. So we'll just get the sides bit. So, and then being on an open fire like this, it should cook up quickly. And then a little bit of extra pepper on it. Now voila. Fire's going really good. Get a tri-tip. And put it right there in the middle. Doesn't that look good? Santa Maria style. So we're just going to leave it here for a few minutes, and we'll check it here and see what it looks like. All right. Let's see what she looks like. If I can get it with this. I don't know if I can get it with these. I need to get one of those pig sticks. Oh yeah, look at there. Not going to take very long on this thing. Let's see how we're doing here. Looking so good. Smelling. So one of the nice things about this type of grilling is those juices from the meat drip right down onto the coals, and it kind of steams back up and really entices that flavor, or enhances that flavor as it comes up. So yeah, definitely, yeah, this is going to be good. All right, let's take her, bring it up so we can get another log down there on the old fire. Something like that. Let's bring it back down. All right. Get it kissing that piece of meat there. Sorry. Tri-tip's been on here for about 20 minutes. Let's just get an idea what the temperature is internal. So let's see, we're at 113 there, 107 over here, 105. So we got a little bit more to go on it. I want to pull it at 125, and then we're going to let it rest. Let's go ahead and flip it over one more time here. You can see that side is not darkening up quite as much as the other side. So yeah, let's go ahead and flip it back over. I'm going to say in about 10 minutes this is going to be done. Sometimes you just have to get your hand in there. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and lower it back down. So now we'll give it about 10 more minutes. Let's see what it is then. Okay, so we've been out here about 30 minutes. Let's just have a quick temp read. So right there we're at 128. Here in the center we're at 128, and then over here we're at about 148. So it's getting awfully warm on the ends, but that's okay. Time to get this thing off of here. All right, put it on there. We're going to take it in here. We're going to get it wrapped with foil, and we'll let it rest. Doesn't that look good? Got my other piece of foil here. Put it on here. All right, so we're going to take it into the house. We're going to let it rest for 10 minutes, and we'll cut in and see what we got here. And I'm going to close the bottom vents and top isn't hot, but I'm just going to let this burn itself out tonight. Dog should leave it alone. Alright, there's 2 of the vents. This being an old school one, it's got 3 vents there. So we got the bottom vents shut off. Yeah, I guess I could lift it off and set it in the snow. Get it to cool off real quick. And then put the lid on this and we'll let this fire snuff itself out. See if that was enough. Oh yeah. So, got that out of the way. Okay. Put that lid on, we'll get all the vents closed. We'll just let it snuff itself out and clean up this mess. Okay, we've had our TriTip resting here for 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Oh, that looks so good. Amazing. Let's take it off of here. Alright. So all I'm going to do is just start slicing it up here. Show you what it looks like when we get to about the middle. Because I know you're dying to see it. And I'm dying to show it. It is looking so good. How is that? Look at that. Oh yeah. Let's get her all sliced up here. Now we're kind of going across the grain here, but I'm telling you, this is almost cooked and rested to perfection. Try not to get my fingers. See if we can get one more slice out of it. Very carefully. There we go. Set our knife aside. Get her all nice and decorated here. Look at that. So, get a paper towel. What we're going to do is we're going to sprinkle a little green onion scallions on it, like so. Then put some raspberries on it. These raspberries, I saw them at the grocery store and they look so good. And I thought, you know what? Probably be kind of a cool idea to put them on here. Got a jumper, like so. How's that? See if we can zoom in on it here. Let's try one of these raspberries first. Oh, I do love a good raspberry. Let's get into this meat. Give it a sample while you're here. Hopefully that shows up, but let's tear it. Got smoke flavor. Cherry wood. Perfectly cooked. The seasoning on it, Grillaholics S.P.G, goes so well with beef. Yeah. Wow, that is so good. I use that Santa Maria style attachment for the Weber kettle, and I used Blues Hogs lumps charcoal to get it going, and then I put 2 spits of cherry wood right on it. Seasoned the tri-tip with that S.P.G from Grillaholics and a little extra black pepper, and then I just put it right there on the grill, and just kind of stayed out there and monitored. With how cold it was out there, it's probably 33 degrees today. I would say I was out there for 40 minutes, flipping it back and forth, temping it, making sure I wasn't overcooking it, and I'm telling you, it's not overcooked. And then I just let it go, and it's like I say, cooking over an open fire like that does change the flavor. You get a little more smoke flavor on this, which is great. And those juices, like I say, dripping down onto the flames, and then kind of, I don't know how you would explain it, they kind of burn back up into the meat, and it just adds so much to it. I love that Santa Maria attachment, and it's fun to play with. And this tri-tip is to die for. But anyway, I can always say, you can do this too. It's not that hard. Thank you for watching, my friends. Until next time, grill on.